In my internship, I'm really excited to learn as much as possible from the work that I do and from my team. And then I'm most excited for the end of the summer when I get to go to Sweden with my team to present a thesis.
Alright, so what I'm most looking forward to in my internship this summer is working with people around me, making meaningful connections wherever I go in the workplace, and just having a good time this summer, learning as much as I can.
I'm most excited to see the day-to-day operations of an engineer and actually see my product out on the floor.
I am most excited about the global intern program, so I will be going to Sweden in August, and I'm very excited to learn more about sales from my boss, Joshua.
I'm most excited about seeing the different jobs and career paths that I could potentially go into.
I'm most excited for developing my skills as an artist and working with the creative marketing team.
During the summer, what I'm most excited about is to expand my network. I want to meet people and talk with people from different backgrounds and gain the industrial knowledge from different perspectives. And definitely, I want to apply my interdisciplinary skills into this role.
I'm looking forward to, honestly, just overall the experience and then shadowing the RSMs within my zone.
A special talent I have is cooking breakfast, and my main dish is French toast.
My special talent is designing clothing.
My secret talent is hula hooping. I've been gifted since I was born at hula hooping. I can't do multiple, I could only do one, but I can do it forever.
My special talent would have to be yoga. I really enjoy doing yoga in my free time.
One of my special talents is that my spicy tolerance is extremely high. So if you got that same talent, just please let me know. Maybe we can take some spicy challenge together, or you can give me some recommendations. That would be great.
Well, I've gone back and forth on what to say on this one, but I would say my special talent is I can do the splits.
I think my special talent is probably trying to make people laugh wherever I go. I like to start off meetings that way, just with a quick one-liner. That's probably my favorite thing to do.
I'd have to say my special talent is I'm pretty decent at singing.